Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today's video is going to be an updated morning cleaning routine. I've posted one of these before on my channel, so I will link that down below if you want to go and check that out. But before today's video begins, I would just like to ask, if you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a viewer. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So the first thing then that I like to do in the morning is come down and empty the dishwasher. Sometimes I will do this before bed, but it really just depends on whether the cycle from the dishwasher has finished before I've gone to bed or not. And on this particular morning, I had put it on just before I've gone to bed. So hence why I'm emptying it first thing this morning. I like to make sure that for the beginning of the day, I've got a nice empty dishwasher. So throughout the day, myself, my partner and George, anything that we have used that needs washing up can just be put straight away into the dishwasher, ready for the next cycle. I then like to move on to cleaning up after breakfast, so I'm just going to put away the things I've used to make George's toast, which was the butter and the Marmite, and I'm also just going to tidy up from where I've made myself a cup of tea and a hot water bottle. I'm then going to go to the front room where George has had breakfast this morning and just pick up any toast that he has dropped on the floor, and also just put my cup and his plate away into the dishwasher. I'm then going to take my Method antibacterial spray and give his table a nice wipe over and the chair, and then I like to make sure that I'm putting his table back away in the hallway where it goes, just so it's not in the way throughout the day. I then like to just give the sofas a little bit of a freshen up just by reorganising the blankets a little bit, and then also just plumping the cushions, even though probably about 3 minutes after doing this, I'm sure George is going to jump all over the sofas and it wouldn't be worth it, but at least it looks clean for like the next 3 minutes or whatever. I'm also just going to do it to the cuddle chair and just organise his teddies as well. Now, as it is a Sunday and we are going to be having a roast dinner later on, I need to make sure that I have as much space as possible in the dishwasher to put any of the washing from the roast in there. So I've decided that from breakfast and lunch today, I'm just going to wash everything up by hand. So I'm just running a bowl of hot soapy water to wash up anything from breakfast, dry it up and then pop it away so it is ready for the next use. I'm then going to give all the kitchen sides and tiles at the backdrop from the hob a nice scrub. So again, I'm just going to be using the Method antibacterial surface spray just with a cloth and just give that a nice wipe over until everything is nice and clean. Now, I'm not going to give the whole house a hoover because I've normally done that the night before, but anywhere where I might have made a mess, so for instance the kitchen after making breakfast and also the front room where George has eaten as well, I'm just going to give that a nice quick hoover just to pick up any crumbs that might have worked its way onto the floor. So last night before I went to bed, I put on a load of washing. I like to make sure I'm doing at least 1 load of washing a day, if not 2 or 3 sometimes. But I'm just going to empty everything out of the washing machine and organise it into things that can go on a high heat and things I'd prefer to go on a low heat. So normally with our clothes, I like them to go on a high heat in the tumble dryer, but with George's things and some of our other clothes, I like to make sure they go on a low heat, or I just dry them on the radiator. So now my partner and my little boy George are now downstairs. I can now make my way upstairs and give the upstairs a good clean. So I'm just going to make all our beds, well I say all, our bed and also George's bed. I'm also just going to give the upstairs a nice clean. So I'm just going to clean both of our bedside tables and just give everywhere a little bit of an organise. Since George has had a bed, since we've transferred from a cot to a bed, and he knows now that he can get out in the mornings, sometimes when he wakes up ridiculously early and I haven't realised that he is awake, he will just empty his toy basket and there'll just be toys everywhere. So first thing in the morning I like to just come in, give his room a little freshen up and a tidy, put all his toys away so they are ready for him when he wants to play with them. And I just like to make his bed as well and clean up his changing table station as well, just so everything is looking neat and ready for the day for him. Another room in the house that can get a little bit messy in the mornings is the bathroom. Obviously we've all been in here having showers, brushing our teeth, etc., getting ready for the day. So I just like to give the sink, the bath and shower area, and then also the toilet a nice clean as well. So again, I'm just using the Method antibacterial surface spray and then also some Harpic bleach into the toilet just to give everything a freshen up ready for the day. The last thing then that I like to make sure I'm doing is putting on another load of washing if it so needs doing, which today it does. I'm probably going to get through my third load of washing today. So I'm just going to pop this load of washing on, get that going so I can get the next lot on. That way then, this is actually a Sunday we are filming this, so that way we have got nice clean clothes ready for the rest of the week. So guys, that is the end of my morning cleaning routine. As you can see, I'm just making myself a cup of tea just to say well done to myself for getting through another cleaning routine. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a viewer, and I look forward to seeing you in some of my next videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.